Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just imagine being able to enjoy the cool temperatures of Stony Hill in this lovely home situated on a private cul-de-sac. It sits on 0.41 acres of land. This three-story house with 5 bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms along with 2 powder rooms and a double-car garage with a basement for entertaining, which includes a theater room, gym, games room, and lots more space for just about anything your heart desires. The entryway itself, with a magnificent staircase, sets the tone of how grand this home is. Not only do you have a formal dining and living room, but also an open concept for the family room and kitchen for the family. Additionally, there is a large bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom on the ground floor. Other features include swimming pool, gazebo with barbecue area, and the large space for possibly a tennis court or basketball court. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 168 million or US $1,091,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.